gonna be a good rest of the day. I'm excited for today's vlog. There's gonna be a lot of, it's not gonna be a normal Saturday. Or maybe you've watched these enough and you're gonna be like, dang dude, this is a normal ass Saturday. Will we reconnect with old friends? Will we cook steak? Will my haircut turn out correctly? What is gonna happen tonight? Find out on this week's episode of Dragon Ball Z. Yeah, we out here, bro. Tito freaking blends, man. Dude, he hooked it up, bro. He hooked it up. Post haircut feeling always just makes you feel good, you know, mentally, physically. Like you look good, you feel good. You gotta feel yourself once in a while. Cause if you don't feel yourself, bro, nobody else is gonna feel you. It's like the same as like joking, right? If you don't laugh at your own jokes, you think someone else will laugh at your own jokes, bro? All right, we are headed out. Got all the equipment ready. Today's video is about reconnecting with old friends.
Oh, amazing.
So,
shout out to the Fruz.
Dude,
amazing.
Bro, shout out Kareem Sean for hosting in his brand new house. Congrats.
Of course.
We're making the roast today. We're gonna put it in the oven and then we're gonna finish it on the pan and then we're gonna eat 4 pounds of meat between three of us. Yeah,
we're gonna finish it.
Yeah, it's gonna happen. It might take hours. It might take hours, but regardless, we're gonna finish.
Yeah, we're gonna finish.
So
Fogo hates to see me coming.
Dude, bro, this guy, bro, we're making Fogo at home today.
Yeah,
like that's what it is. But yeah, man, lately I just been making these like long form YouTube videos where I'm just kind of vlogging about my day and then tying it back to like some type of theme or message. And so
I have noticed that it's nice.
Yeah. So I just
it's like good and like hard.
Yeah.
You know?
Yes. Waiting for a Fraz. Yes.
The other Fraz.
The other Fraz. Yeah. Literally one of my so Kareem Sean and Fraz are like two of my best friends from childhood. Yeah. Like we've known each other since we were 5 years old. Yeah.
I was probably like
you're probably
one.
3.
I was one.
Yeah,
There's
one.
A 4-year age difference.
4-year age difference. Oh, okay. Yeah. So yeah, man, Fraz was one of my first friends in America. Yeah. Like when I first moved here, and so we kind of reconnect every like maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 months.
Hopefully more frequently.
Yeah, more frequently now, but yeah. But lately we've been anytime we get together, we always cook steaks. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, making this roast. Once the oven preheats, and then we'll get after it.
One of my friends, whenever we hang out, we always go to like Fogo for lunch because they always have specials. Yeah, we're always there. We're just like, hey, dude, steak today? Yeah. I'm like, sure, let's go.
Yeah, dude. That's kind of what this was, right? I think you hit me up on Instagram and you're like, man, it's been a minute. I was like, yeah, dude, you want to get together and cook steaks? Like,
let's go.
So, bringing Fogo to a kitchen near you.
What's
going on, guys?
Say what's good to the vlog, bro.
oh, you're gonna vlog this whole thing?
Yeah. Well, I've been vlogging every day, bro, for like the last like month or so.
Nice.
Been random
do you
things and tying it back.
Yeah.
I'll pull some up later if you want. But I was literally just telling them I was like, bro, I'm about to link up with 2 of my childhood friends, literally since I was like 5 years old.
I think since your birthday, right?
Oh yeah.
I think we hung out. Didn't I come over one time after that? Or no?
That must have been before that.
I think we made. Oh dang, dude.
Yeah, that was before that.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Hey,
we went to Sprouts or something.
Yeah.
That was before that.
Dude, this friendship is like 25 years long, bro.
Gotta be crazy. Maybe more, dude.
Well, yeah, you're 31 now. Are you 31 now? Yeah. Dang.
Dude, that's crazy.
Yeah, June, right? Birthday's June. Yeah. Birthday's November.
December.
Oh, you just had your birthday.
Yeah.
That's right. Sweet. Well, we got the roast in the oven for like another 50 minutes, or we're kind of just chilling. Right. Got the roast out the oven. About to put it into the pan here in a little bit.
Man, that looks fire.
Dude, it's gonna be great, man.
It smells amazing.
Yeah.
Chef is better cook with this one.
Hey, Chef Frizzy with the pot, boy.
Yay.
Man. Look at all this fancy stuff my boy got here, bro. We got diffusers.
We got artificial fireplaces.
We got the fireplace.
What else we got? That's fancy.
We got that thing. What's this thing called that you just bought?
Oh yeah, the little.
But we don't even know what it's called.
A juice dispenser.
It's like a fancy you can put like strawberry water or something. Yeah. And it just it's refreshing. Like you see that at hotels, like in the lobby or something.
Oh yeah. It's like you at the Marriott or something.
Yeah. There you go. That's how it feels to be here at the Marriott.
Bro, this is like the Marriott, bro. This is like you guys got your own personal guest suite and stuff. Hey, bro,
No, it's too.
This is a big boy, bro.
Slide it on there.
Nice. All right, cool.
There you go.
All right.
I don't think you can pick this up with phone.
Ooh, nice. Ooh, look at that sizzle.
On here.
Nice. Oh, heck yeah.
Woo. And we just do all 4 sides.
Yep.
We let it sear. And then we're gonna add some butter. We're gonna butter baste like Gordon Ramsay.
Heck yeah.
And then we're good to go, man. So we'll come back with the finished product here in like 5 minutes.
Nice. Hey man, Ramsay ain't got nothing on Chef.
Yo, bro, Gordon Ramsay, where you at, bro?
Sign this man up.
Let's have a steak cook-off, bro. Come at me.
Yeah, come on, Gordon.
All right.
Merry Christmas.
Dang, bro, I appreciate it. Got me a Christmas present. Dude, there's so much stuff in here. What the heck?
Yes, I go all out for my friends.
Yeah. Wait, what is this? Is this
That's the cologne you just sprayed.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I told you, it was new.
Dude, no way.
You're the first person to spray it.
Bro, you literally just I'm not even gonna show it on camera, bro. Yeah. I'm gatekeeping this, bro. It's Dior Savage. Dang, bro, that's crazy, bro. Thank you so much.
Of course, man.
Oh my God. I was really about to like hit you up after this and be like, yo, bro, let me pay you so you can get me one. Yeah. Oh, bro, I know you guys went to Sprouts, bro.
Yep.
For this, right?
Yep.
Dude, these are literally all the honeys that I eat at home.
Really?
Like, yeah, all 3.
Oh, that's
like,
perfect.
I've tried all 3 of these.
Yeah.
Like, this is the OG one.
Yeah.
And I've eaten this one a lot. I've had this one one time.
Nice.
Which one you like the most?
I like the original, but there's actually one that's like in the glass box with this premium steak knife set. Ooh. Oh, that's crazy. We were just talking about beef orders, bro. Man, I want to open all this. Open all this up. Hold up, I want to make sure.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
We'll be right back, guys.
Yeah, we'll be right back. Chef Rizzy has to make sure that the steak ropes don't get burnt.
Right.
It's looking nice though.
Yeah. It's pretty much almost done. We're just gonna butter baste now.
So
we turn the heat off. Ooh, shit, that's hot.
Yeah, here,
right.
use a minute.
Yeah. We're just gonna move this off of the heat.
Nice.
Drop this in here. And the thing with butter basting is, you want to make sure like how the butter's foamy like this. You want to make sure it stays foamy. You don't want to burn the butter.
Yes. That's why you gotta turn off the heat.
Yeah, you gotta turn the heat off.
Nice.
Turn the heat off or keep it on low heat. Tilt the pan towards you, and then we're just
amazing.
Going at it, just like that.
It's not so bad maybe that your diet got limited because this is like probably the best thing you could have asked for.
Bro, I always say, man, it's a blessing in disguise. Yeah. Because one, I get to eat. Like, you can have a bad day and then you come home and eat a steak and it's a great day.
Yeah.
And 2, the thing is, one of my favorite things to do, man, is like cook for other people.
Man, yeah.
And so, we get to live it out with everybody else and have a good time.
We love every time you cook for us. Hey, I'm gonna get good at this and then I'll make you a steak one day.
I'm down, man.
I gotta get good.
one of my Boy Scouts said that we cook at my place sometimes after we like work out or hoop.
Yeah.
And he ended up making steak for his family on Thanksgiving.
That's awesome.
And he's like, I used your instructions and it came out really good. And I was like,
nice.
Heck yeah, dude.
Man, you gotta use iCloud storage for this?
Do I? Did you just get a notification?
No, I'm saying like,
you just gotta
like
turn it into little smaller segments.
Right? Alright, we're gonna let this rest for like 5-10 minutes and then we'll come back at you for the next one. Very nice. We're having Chef Frizzy cut our, what is it, the New York roast? Cutting some Christmas dinner, that's what we're doing. Nice. Yeah, this is a strip loin roast. So it's
strip loin roast, okay.
Strip loin, yeah, so that's where the New York strip comes from. Nice. Amazing. Whew. Yeah, bro. That's a lot of food. Feels like I'm just cutting bread right now. Yeah, that's crazy.
Super juicy.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god. Oh, we'll leave some for mom and dad too. Cause mom was like, leave me some steak. I was like, okay, I got you. Yeah, I was like, I got you.
Sounds good. Oh yeah, but we're not gonna finish this at 3 of us.
No, that's too much. That's a lot.
4 pounds or something.
We didn't even finish all of the ones from last time. Whenever like it was, and that was like not even as much as this.
Yeah. Are you going to your parents' place after this?
I think I'll hang out for a little bit and then I'll probably just go back.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, take some of this and like wrap it up in some aluminum foil and take it to go for sure. This is what's left of 4 pounds of strip loin steak. So great job, dude. We killed it. Good job, bro.